Oh! What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Corey Wright and I drive a 2015 Civic SI. I do daily vlog, build updates on my car. If you're a 9th gen Civic owner and you're not subscribed to the channel, on a more serious note though, today I have replacement LED bulbs for the whole car. Alright y'all, so, oh god. I have the lights right here. I'm gonna start with these. By the way, my lights are LED, but the bulbs I had were trash. They flicker sometimes. I'm gonna start with this and this. The easiest way I found to do this, and it's like an old gift card or something, I don't even know. Get any type of card, debit card, any card, bro. Just pop her out, man. Just, oh, you see? Oh. Just wiggle it out, you feel me? These are the old LEDs that I was running. I don't really like them, to be honest. They were good at first, but they just started flickering on me, bro. I don't like that stuff. I like my stuff to be clean. It was off of eBay too. Bro, I just broke my card. I just broke the card. The card's broken. I'm never using this again. Easy. Got it out. Okay, so now the hard part. Oh! Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the old ones on the floor, so. Ooh. I'm gonna just pick the one that look like the old one, to be honest. I'm gonna just compare it. They all look the same, bro. So I think these two are for the reverse lights, probably. Car making a comeback, it ain't done yet. I gotta get in between, bro. I don't even know. Oh, here it is. Little ridge right here. When it got the flathead. This gotta get it, bro. If this don't get it, I don't know what's gonna get it, bro. Honestly. There you go. There you go. Pop out for me. Yes, sir. Oh. Nice and clean. Oh, that's a spider. This little been in here the whole time, bro. I'm sick. Alright. This one don't even be flickering, bro. But since I'm doing one, I'm gonna just do them all. Just wiggle it out. You feel me? Ow. Okay, it worked. It worked. It worked. I'm gonna put this back. Just like how you took it out. That's it. Just make sure the back snap in first. Got a new light. These lights are really bright. They're a lot brighter than the old ones. Oh my god. At night it shows off the interior so well. Man, these things are bright. Alright, now that we're done with the interior of the car, we're gonna move on to the back. We're gonna replace the reverse light. I ain't never even done this before, bro. Don't worry, sweetheart.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart. That's flat.
Bro, my trunk don't even hold itself open. Bro, these love bugs, bro. I know y'all see this. These love bugs, bro. These love bugs be crazy. Be too many of them down here, bro. Oh, no! No! Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna just start with undoing this clip in the trunk. Never know how to take these out without breaking them. I should probably get the proper tool for it. That'll probably help, but nah, I'm good. Bro. I'll be back. Alright guys, so all I did was undo this one, undo this little clip, and there was a clip right here. Give you access to the tail light. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know which one is the reverse light, but I'm gonna figure that out right now. Yo, you could throw the car in reverse for me so I can see. Please don't stall. If you stall, it stalls backwards in reverse. It's on? Bro, where's that bulb, bro? It's on the inside.
Every day I work on my car, I get a new cut in my hand.
Promise you.
You probably have to push it in and twist it.
Bro, oh my gosh.
Bro, that makes a lot of, you know, I thought about that too.
Take out the old bulb. Trash. Put in a new one. Hey, my guy, that's it.
Check your foot.
Hold on. Whoa, bro. I don't understand. Bro, it's 50-50 and I always get it wrong. Switched it.
Yeah, I think, hopefully. Yeah, like a light. Yeah, it's good.
Just throw it back in the hole. Get her in there. Twist, baby. Twist. Okay. I'm pretty sure it's in there.
Hey, guess you always cooking up. Cause I found God but got locked up. Amen. Righteousness was on a fine line. Time made me better like a fine wine. Now I grind like a madman's teeth. Let the inner beast out the confines. Hey, I'm not like the rest of them. Not in your control, leave it to God. Don't ever stress on them. Always count your blessings. They gon' hate cause they got less on them. Evil all inside them, I know like I just dissected them. Music got them lessons because life be always testing them. They take it for granted, now I'm working like a Mexican. I